Assalamu alaikum grade 9 students. Hope you are all fine. Today we will read chapter number 1 of computer science. The name of chapter number 1 is Fundamental of Computer. Now we will learn basic operations of a computer. The following four basic operations are performed by computers. Important points: 1. Input operation. 2. Processing operation. 3. Storage operation. 4. Output operation. Input operation. A computer is a data processing machine. User enter data and instruction into the computer through keyboard or mouse. It can also be provided to computer from a storage device such as hard disk, CD or USB memory. The input data instructions are stored in memory for further processing. Processing operation. Microprocessor processes the data according to the instruction given to it. The microprocessor fetches the data instruction from the memory and stores it in instruction register. The control unit then decodes the instruction to find out which operations to be performed. After decoding the instruction, it sends signals to other parts of the computer to execute it. Storage operation. The results produced after processing are stored in memory before they are sent to the output device or permanent storage device like hard disk. Output operation. The result of data processing stored in memory must be output so that they can be seen by the user. The control units display the result on the monitor or prints it on the printer. Result can also be saved in storage device such as hard disk for use in the future. What is computer software? Computer programs are known as computer software. Computer program is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do and how to do. It is classified into two categories: system software and application software. Important points: system software, application software, open source software, shareware and freeware. System software. System software is a collection of programs which makes the use of computer easy and efficient. Highly experienced computer programmers develop system software. Following are the types of system software: operating system, device driver, utility programs, language processors. Operating system. An operating system is system software that is responsible for the management and coordination of all the activities performed by the computer. It provides the environment in which the user can interact with the computer hardware to operate the computer. The most popular operating system used in microcomputers is the Windows. The following tasks are performed by the operating system. 1. It loads programs into memory and executes them. 2. It controls the operations of input, output and storage devices. 3. It manages files and folders. 4. It allows to create password to protect computers from unauthorized use. 5. It detects hardware failure and displays message to fix them. Device drivers. A device driver is system software that controls the operations of a computer's device. When users attach a device such as printer or scanner to their computer, they should install its driver to make it operational. Device drivers are provided by device manufacturers. Utility programs. Utility programs perform specific tasks that are related to the management of the computer. The following are some commonly used utility programs that perform specific tasks. Windows Explorer. It is used to manage files and folders. Backup utility. It is used to make backup of data. WinZip utility. It is used to compress files. Diagnostic utility. It is used to detect hardware and software problems. Antivirus software. It is used to detect and remove viruses. Language processors. A language processor is a system program used to translate computer programs into machine language. Machine language is directly understood by the computer Therefore, all the programs must be translated into machine language before execution by the computer. Compiler and interpreter are language processors used to translate high-level language programs into machine language. A program called assembler is used to translate assembly language programs into machine language. Application software. Application software is developed for computer users to solve their problems such as preparing a letter, creating a presentation, or managing a database. Commonly used application software includes productivity software, business software, entertainment software, and education software. Productivity software. Productivity software includes word processing, spreadsheets, and database management software packages. These software packages are used to individuals to speed up their daily routine tasks by doing their work in an organized and efficient way. Business software. Any software that helps in running business in an more efficient way to improve productivity is known as business software. Some examples of commonly used business software are accounting, sales and marketing, inventory controls, project management, and payroll software. Entertainment software. Software developed to entertain people is known as entertainment software. Video games are one of the most popular forms of entertainment software. Many games are a lot of fun to play, but sometimes they can also help to improve skills such as typing or reading. The term edutainment merges games and education software into the single software. Edutainment software is used mainly for edutainment, but it educates as well. Education software. Software developed for educational purpose is known as education software. A large variety of education software has been developed. Education software includes typing tutor, spelling tutor, language learning, medical and healthcare, driving test and flight simulations software, etc. Open source software, shareware and freeware. Open source software, it is computer software that is available in the form of source code that allows user to study, change and improve it. Open source software is free use, modification and distribution. Some examples of open source software are Linux operating system, OpenOffice, Office productivity software, FlightGear, flight simulator and Java programming language, etc. Shareware. Shareware is distributed free of cost for a limited period. Usually 1 or 2 months, it is trial version of software given to people to decide whether they would like to buy the full version of the software. Some shareware is installed on new computers when they are sold. Examples of shareware are antiviruses, software and computer games, etc. Freeware. Freeware is given free of cost and it is full version of software for an unlimited period of time. It may have some restrictions such as allowed for people, personal or academic use only. Example of freeware are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, VLC Media Player, etc.